Hello guys, it's Black Fetish and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long since I posted a video, but now we are back and we're going to be posting 2 videos per week. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful art paint, and I'm going to show you the requirements. And this video you can put it anywhere. This picture you can put it on your wall, your table, anywhere, where any place you desire. So I'm going to show you the requirements. And first and foremost, we're going to require acrylic paint. I'm going to show you the brand that I use. It's Acrylic, and we're going to require the green paints, as in different shades of green, like neon green. Then we're going to require that dark green, dark green, and the normal green, like the grass or something. Then we're going to require yellow paint, and also we're going to require a black paint. So, and still we will require orange, but it's not a must. So I'm going to show you the rest of the requirements. So we're going to require some brush, different sizes, the small one for making the little details. So I'm going to show you each and every use of the brushes. So okay, we're going to require let's say you can use a cardboard, you can use a canvas, you can use anything you so desire. We're also going to need tape. Then we're going to also require a cutout of the animal print that you want to put on your art. You can use a horse, an elephant, anything. So we're going to move on to our project. So we're going to start with the neon green, and if you don't have neon green, you can mix neon green by you can mix green and yellow so that you can come up with the neon green color, and make yellow to be the yellow color to be more than the green color so that it can be lighter. Second, you're going to put the other green, the one that looks like grass. So you're going to paint it on your canvas or your cardboard or wherever place you're making the art on. Make sure it's thick. You can add like 3 layers or something. You add the first layer, let it dry, add the second layer, let it dry, then the third coat, that is. So you're going to continue. Now use the last green, dark green acrylic paint. And now we're going to blend the colors. So you just just follow what I'm doing. Blend them so that they don't look as if they are different colors, but we want to blend them so that they can look like, okay, I know you know how a horizon looks, maybe as in it has different shades of colors, but they have blended in together. We're just going to blend in the colors until you get you get satisfied with what has come out of your art. So just blend. also remember, it's an art, so you don't have to be that perfect. Just play with the colors, then you're going to be amazed by what will come out of whatever you are doing. So just play with colors. Use any color that you love, anything. Yeah, that's the beauty of art. You can use anything, you can do anything, then you might find out that you're a better artist than you thought. So don't restrict yourself, just do what you love, play with colors. Yeah. So we're going to use the yellow, to like blend it in with the green color, just little amounts, so that as in like we're making like a cloud or something of the sort. Okay, by the way, this is my first time doing this, so please, if you've seen anything wrong, just comment below and tell me that, hey, you've done this and this and it's not supposed to be done like that. Just correct me, then next time maybe I'll do a better painting. Now we're going to apply the black part. You can make it look like it has some mountains on the background or something of the sort. Just play with the black painting, until you get satisfied with what you see. You see, now it looks as if it has some mountains or the hills or whatever. I'm now going to take the cutout of the horse, then I'm going to place it on the art and make sure it's stuck well. Then I'm going to take the black acrylic paint. Then now I'm just going to paint it over the horse. Just take a tiny brush, then now start applying the paint on top. Don't worry about how it comes out, just do your thing. Just apply, that's why I told you art is beautiful, since you can do anything. Like, okay, it's not a must to use a horse. You can use any animal that you love. You can use a bird, you can use an elephant, anything. Now after you're done painting the horse, you're just going to peel off that cutout. Be gentle with it. Okay, by the way, to be honest, I never used I never used a canvas. I just took some calendars, then I just improvised. I just wanted to show you how you can do it, but you can use a canvas because it will come out much better than this. Then we're going to take the yellow again. Then I'm going to cover the places where it peeled off when I was peeling off the cutout. I'm just going to rectify the mistake that I made. Just use a good cardboard. You can use a cardboard, by the way, it will come out good. And also you can use a canvas. So it's kind of expensive, but for you to get a good thing, you have to use an expensive thing. Yeah, but still I love what came out of these calendars. Yeah, now we're going to make the moon with the yellow paint. Yeah, I'm not good with circles, but I'm going to try. So just follow what I'm doing. And again, just play with the colors. I'm just playing with them so that I can try and make my painting look better. Now there we have the moon. Yeah, just it's already blending in, so we're just going to make to use the orange color to put some stars, let's say some stars or something. Yeah, something of the sort. I'm just trying to make it look better and beautiful. Yeah, it's not a must to use the orange painting. You can just leave it as such. Then I'm going to add some birds, little birds there. Yeah, just little ones flying over the horizon and the background, something of the sort. Yeah, I know you're getting what I'm doing. And there, we're done with our painting. And by the way, I would like you to tell me if it came out well, and if you would like me to do more of such arts. And I will really appreciate your honesty. Just be honest. If it looks bad, just say it looks bad. If it looks good, then go ahead and tell me it looks good, and I'll be grateful. Thank you for watching my channel, and I'm grateful for that. And also please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share with your friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.